Hello everyone, welcome back to Kalparaksha classes, and here is the question paper from Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board, and this is the model question paper for the year 2021-22. Alright, so already I have solved MCQs and one mark questions from the 5 question papers. Now it's a turn to solve 2 mark questions from 5 question papers. Alright, so for this year the target is 5 question papers. From these 5 question papers, all the MCQs, then 1 mark, then 2 mark, 3 mark and 4 mark questions will be covered. Already, as I have told, MCQs and 1 mark are over now. Now it is a time for 2 mark questions. Alright, so let's get started with all these questions and let us try to solve them one by one. So here is the third main, 8 questions each of 2 marks, so that is total 16 marks. So here is the first question. Solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. 2x plus y equal to 3 and 4x minus y equal to 9. Two equations are there. Let us solve them. So first equation is 2x plus y is equal to 3. Second equation is 4x minus y is equal to 9. Alright, so let me call it as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now afterwards, look at this plus y and minus y, they get cancelled. 2x plus 4x is a 6x. 6x is equal to 3 plus 9 is 12. Alright, so then afterwards we are going to have x is equal to 12 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. Then we are going to have the value of x as 2. So let me call it as equation number 3. Already x value we got. Now let us put this equation number 3 in equation number 1. Alright, so what is equation number 1? Equation number 1, here it is 2x plus y is equal to 3, right? 2x plus y is equal to 3. Then it becomes 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 3. Alright, so 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus y is equal to 3. Then we are going to have y is equal to 3 minus 4. And 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So the value of y is minus 1. Alright, so I got x value and y value. Alright, so for this you are going to get 2 marks. Now there is one more option question. Show that the lines represented by linear pair of equations 2x plus 3y equal to 1 and 5x plus 6y equal to 2 are intersecting lines by comparing their coefficients. Alright, so I don't have space here, so let me put a line here so that I am able to solve that question. So what are the given equations? The first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. Now both the formats are same. Look at this. This format and this format both are same. That's why you can directly compare it with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Now how about a1? The value of a1 is 2. How about b1? b1 is 3. And how about c1? c1 is 1. Then afterwards we are going to have another equation, that is 5x plus 6y is equal to 2. Second equation, here it is. Alright, so then let us compare it with a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Alright, then we are going to have a2 is equal to 5, then b2 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to 2. Alright, so these are the equations what we have got. I mean, these are the values. Then afterwards we are going to have a1 by a2. What is the value of a1 by a2? a1 is 2, right? So 2 divided by 5. So what is the value of b1 by b2? What is b1? 3. And what is b2? b2 is 6. So 3 by 6. So 3 ones are 3 twos are, that is equal to 1 by 2. You can clearly observe a1 by a2 is 2 by 5 and b1 by b2 is 1 by 2. Both are not equal. So we get a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore graphs are intersecting. Therefore graphs are intersecting. That's it. That is the condition. Okay, if the coefficient ratio is like this, if we got like a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then graphs are intersecting. Alright, that's where they are saying, I mean, to show they are intersecting. Alright, fine. Moving forward to the next question. Find the 15th term of arithmetic progression 6, 10, 14 dash 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 using the formula. Very simple question. Alright, given AP. What is the given AP? Let us write down the given AP, that is 6, 10, 14 dot dot dot. Alright, so A is equal to 6, and d is equal to 10 minus 6, and that is equal to 4. And they are asking for 15th term, that is a15 is equal to question mark, and directly you can write a15 is equal to, what is the formula, a plus 14d. All right, a is 6 plus 14 into d is 4. All right, so 6 plus 14 4s are 56. Then afterwards it becomes a15 is equal to 61, not 61, 62. a15 is equal to 62. So 15th term is 62. All right, fine then. Is it correct? Yeah, definitely it must be correct. I mean, make it sure when you are solving in the exam, you make it sure that you are seeing it one more time here only. 14 4s are 56, 56 plus 6 is 62. You check it. I mean, when you are solving, no, there only you check it, so that you no need to waste your time afterwards. All right, fine then. Moving forward to next question. Find the sum of first 15 terms of 3 plus 6 plus 9 dash dash using the formula. All right, so what is the given AP? Given AP is, I mean, otherwise you can, it is given as 3 plus 6 plus 9 up to how many terms? Up to 15 terms, right? Up to 15 terms. So that's why what it becomes now, A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 and N is equal to 15, and they are asking about S15. S15 means sum of 15 terms. All right, so we have formula for Sn, right? So Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula. Now S15 means it becomes 15 divided by 2 bracket 2 into a is 3 plus n minus 1 is 15 minus 1 into d is going to be 3. All right, so we'll have 15 by 2 bracket 2 into 3 is 6 plus 15 minus 1 is 14, 14 into 3 bracket closed, then it becomes 15 by 2 bracket 6 plus 3 4s are 12, 1 is a carry 4. All right, then afterwards we'll have it as 15 by 2 bracket 48. Now we'll have 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 4s are. So afterwards we'll have 15 into 24. You can easily multiply. 15 4s are 60, 6 is the carry, 15 2s are 30, so 36. All right, I hope it is quite clear now. 15 4s are 60, 6 is the carry, then 15. All right, is it all right? So 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 6 is 36. So 360 is the answer. So that is sum of starting 15 terms. Fine then. So going to the option question, verify whether 130 is a term of arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11 dot dot or not. I mean, they are asking whether 130 will come or not. Okay, let us try to solve it. Let me draw some line here. All right, so what is the given AP here? What is the given AP? The given AP is 3, 7, 11 dot dot dot. A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4. And they are saying AN is equal to 130. This is the, I mean, nth term. Let us assume that. And now find out the value of N. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is nothing but 130. 130 is equal to A is 3 plus N minus 1 into D. D means what is there? 4 is there. All right. So it becomes 130 is equal to 3 plus N into 4 is 4N, then minus 4. Then we will have 130 is equal to 3 minus 4 is minus 1 plus 4N. All right. So 130, then it becomes plus 1 this side, then it becomes 4N. So we will have 4N is equal to 131. So N is equal to 131 divided by 4 means 4 1s are 4 3s are 12. Then afterwards 1 is a carry, then 4 2s are 8, then 3 is a carry, 4 7s are 28, 2 is a carry, then 5s are. So N is equal to 32.75 we got, but N need to be an integer. All right, then only it can be the term. We can have 30th term, 31st term, 32nd term, 33rd term is also possible, but 32.75th term, it is not possible. All right, so what is the reason you are going to give here? We will give a reason. n is not an integer. There is no space here. Let me write here. N is not an integer. Not an integer. Therefore, 130 cannot be the term. Cannot be the term of AP. Alright, so I am sorry for the scarcity of this space here. I would have left one more page. I thought in 2 pages it will be winded up, but it's okay. I hope you have got the idea about the concept. Alright, moving forward to the next question. 20th question. Solve 3x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 by using quadratic formula. Quite a simple question, very standard question. Every year this will be coming for sure. Alright, this year also it will come for sure. 3x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 means you have to compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We will have a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 3. Now, what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So, this is the formula. Let us substitute all the values. So, let me do it here. So, that is x is equal to minus of minus 2 plus or minus, because minus is there in the formula and b means minus 2. Minus of minus 2 plus or minus under root b square means minus 2 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a is 3 and c is minus 3 divided by 2a, 2 into a is 3. Alright, minus of minus 2 means 2 plus or minus under root minus 2 whole square is 4, then minus into minus it becomes plus, and 4 into 3 12, 4 into 3 is 12, right, and 12 3s are 36. Otherwise you can do it as 3 3s are 9, then 4 into 9 is 36, like that also you can do. Divided by 2 into 3 is 6. Alright, so we are going to have it as 2 plus or minus under root 40 then divided by 6. Alright, then we'll have it as 2 plus or minus. How you are going to split this 40? Directly also I can do, but for your reference I am doing all the calculation. It becomes 2 20s, then 2 10s, then 2 5s. Correct, no? 2 20s, 2 10s, 2 5s, then 5 1s. So you can write it as under root 4 into 10. Under root 4 into 10 divided by 6. Alright, so let me rub off this all these things, and now let us try to solve this. So x is equal to how many solutions I am going to get now? I am going to get 2 solutions, right? So I am putting the line here. So x is equal to, it becomes 2 plus or minus under root 4 means it becomes 2, then under root 10, then divided by 6. Alright, so x is equal to, you can take 2 common here. If you take 2 common, what remains inside? What remains inside is 1 plus or minus, because 2 into 1 is 2, then plus or minus under root 10, then divided by 6. Alright, I hope everybody is understanding what I am trying to do. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, then I am going to have x is equal to 1 plus or minus under root 10 divided by 3. I am going to call these as 2 solutions. Alright, so I am writing the solution here. X is equal to 1 plus under root 10 divided by 3, or x is equal to 1 minus under root 10 divided by 3. So this is the second solution, and here is the first solution. Alright, make it sure that you follow all these steps. Here if you are getting perfect square root, that is alright, but if something is coming like this, means how I did this as 4 into 10, because 4 is the nearest square. So that's why under root 4 into 10 we did it. And if you are not understanding, means you can do that also, as I told you just now. 2 20s, 2 10s, then 2 5s, 5 1s. Look at this, 2 and 2 times it is coming, no? 2 into 2 is 4, then 4 into 10. That's how I did it. Alright, fine. I hope the concept is quite clear, and make it sure that you are understanding these kind of questions and practice these few questions. Practice at least 5 or 6 questions so that it becomes clear. Now when you are seeing the second question paper, this is the first one what I am solving. If you see the second question paper, similar kind of question will be there for sure. Alright, moving forward to the next question. They are asking, find the value of discriminant and hence write the nature of roots of the equation x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Alright, discriminant we need to find out. What is the equation? X square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, and we have to compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then what is the value of a? 1. What is the value of b? 3. What is the value of c? 2. Now the value of discriminant, everybody knows it. So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square means what? 3 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 2. So 3 square is what? 9. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So whatever discriminant we have got, no? So whatever discriminant is there, we got it as 1. That means it is greater than 0. So whatever discriminant is there, it is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0 means, so what is the nature of roots? They are asking about nature of roots, right? Nature of roots. Look at this. Nature of roots they are asking. So let me write nature of roots. Definitely this nature of roots is going to be real. Okay, because it is greater than 0. Real and different roots. Real and two different roots, because two roots will be there. Real and two different roots. Alright, so if you do this much, you will get 2 marks. Alright, moving forward to the 22nd question. Find the distance between the points 3, 1 and 6, 2 using distance formula. So here is first point, let me call it as A, and here is second point B. So this A is 3, 1, this B is 6, 2. What is this 3, 1? x1, y1. What is this 6, 2? x2, y2. Then we will have AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square is 6 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is 2 minus 1 whole square, and that is equal to under root 6 minus 3 is 3 square plus 1 square. So how much it becomes? It becomes AB is equal to under root 9 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is under root 10. So AB is equal to under root 10 units. Alright, fine then. Moving forward to the next question. Divide the line segment AB equal to 10 centimeter in the ratio 2:3 geometrically. Okay, you must be knowing this. Here I cannot do much of construction, but I will tell you how to do it. First of all, you have to draw a line. You have to draw a line segment, not a line. It's a line segment AB, which is 10 centimeter. Alright, so whatever this AB is there, this has to be 10 centimeter. After that, you have to draw one angle here, acute angle, like this. So this is the acute angle what we have. Alright, so let me name this as X. So BAX, so whatever this BAX is there, this is the acute angle. Alright, then afterwards, after having this acute angle, I am going to measure the compass and I am going to keep the needle at this point A. Then I am going to cut how many parts? 2 plus 3. You do it as 2 plus 3, you can write here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So that's why what I will do now, I will keep the needle of the compass here. Then from this I will make 5 parts. You do it. Okay, you geometrically you do it. I am explaining here. First part, second part, then third part, then fourth part, then fifth part, and you have to name them as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. 2 plus 3, right? That's why 5 parts. Then afterwards, from this A5, you have to join to this point B. From here to here, you have to join like this. Alright, so you have joined here and you have got it. Then after joining this, you have to keep the needle of your compass at point A5 and you have to draw one angle here. You have to draw an angle like this. Okay, draw an angle. Keep the needle here and the pencil will be here. You draw an angle like this. Now similarly 2 parts is there, no? Look at this, 2:3 is there. That's why you come to this A2. After coming to this A2, keep the needle here. From here you draw the same angle, whatever angle you have drawn, like that you draw this with the same arc. Alright, you draw like this and afterwards you measure this angle from this point to this point. You measure with the help of compass. Here will be the needle and here will be the pencil. You measure this. Alright, you take that measurement and after taking the measurement, don't change it. Keep the same measurement and come to this point here. After coming to this point, keep the needle here, then cut an arc like this. Cut an arc like this. Alright, once you have cut the arc, now you have to join from this point to this point. Look at this. I mean, from this point, from E2, you have to join through this intersection. Like this, you should join. You should join like this. All right, you have joined now. Now I think you are getting this line here. All right, so you have got this line here. Now name it as a C. Now AC will be 2 parts and CB will be 3 parts. Okay, I mean, you must be thinking this is very small, this has become very big. So definitely this is 2 parts and this is 3 parts. This is how you are supposed to do the calculation. Alright, now here you have to write AC ratio to CB, which is equal to 2 ratio to 3. Alright, otherwise what I will do in this 2-mark question, I will skip off these construction things, and already you have idea about constructions, and there are so many videos about construction also, and you can watch them, you can learn it. Otherwise roughly I will be giving you idea how to do it. Alright, moving forward to the last question. 24th question is the last question, I guess. From the given figure, find the value of sine theta and tan alpha. So here is the figure ABC. 1, 2, root 5 is given. Here is alpha, here is theta. So first one, so what is that? First one is sine theta. Look at this. Sine theta is equal to what? Sine theta means here it is there, I mean theta. Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite is 1, hypotenuse is root 5. So it becomes 1 divided by root 5. Alright, B, tan alpha. Tan alpha. So where is alpha? Alpha is here. Tan alpha means opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite is 2, adjacent is 1. So that's why it becomes 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. That's it. So here how the marks will be distributed? Here 1 mark and here 1 mark, 2 marks you got. And for this definitely you are going to get 2 marks if the construction is fine. Then here finding the distance, if you put the formula 1 mark, and if you do the calculation another mark. So 2 marks here also you will get. And afterwards coming to this, if you find the discriminant, that is one thing, 1 mark. If you write the nature, here also 1 mark. And here I mean, if you write the formula and all this data, 1 mark, and finding out this solution, 1 more mark. All right, then here the 15th term was there, no? So for writing the formula 1 mark, and finding the sum 1 more mark, 2 marks. All right, similarly here also for writing the formula and for finding out whether this is a term or not, 1 more mark, 2 marks. And like this here also I mean formula is there, then solution is there, here also will get 2 marks. All right, and similarly here finding the value of x 1 mark, finding the value of 1 more mark, 2 marks. All right, and here comparing and writing a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 a2 b2 c2, 1 more 1 mark, and for comparing 1 more mark, 2 marks. All right, see, done. That's it. I mean, this is how you have to solve this 2 mark question, and make it sure that you get out of out. Maximum for this 2 marks, no, you are going to take 20 minutes. You can see the length of the video also, 23 minutes it is right now. But if you solve without any explanation and all, you are going to take just 20 minutes if you are perfect with the calculations. All right, fine then. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye. Be happy and make sure that you are watching all these 2 mark questions. All right, very, very important. This 2 mark question, whatever I am solving right now. So these are very, very important. And I will be solving all these 5 question papers. This is the first one. And still 4 more are remaining. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.